Mike with Standard Time with Ray White of Scout West, and we are answering your questions on how to better utilize Standard Time. Yeah. Ray, today's question kind of goes with the last question we had in the previous video about client billing rates.
Right.
So within the firm, I have different roles. So I have engineers, I have project managers, service techs. How do I get those organized within the client billing rates?
Okay, so you want to set the rate on each project based on the role that the person plays, whether they're a project manager, team lead, service tech, whatever they happen to be in the organization.
Bingo, that's it.
Okay, let's switch over to the screen here. I'm going to show you how that's done. I'm going to start by going over to the tools menu and choosing users and organization. We're looking at the timesheet right now, but I'm going to switch over here to look at the list of users. So this is the list of users in the system. You can see this kind of a hierarchy you've got here, properties on the right-hand side. I'm going to click on a user and draw your attention to this field, the role field. In this case, Buzz is a team lead. Click to another user, engineer. You can see that these roles that they're playing are different for each person. Engineer here. These are the default roles that they might ordinarily or naturally play on a project. Okay? So I'm going to bounce around here. Stay with me. I'm going to go to the tools menu, switch over to employee billing rates, because this is where you set the rates based on each role that a person plays on each project. Okay? So here you have your default rates. You see those default roles. These are the client rates that you're going to be billing for the projects. You have your salary rates here. You can set those to 0 if you need to. But I'm going to go and look at a project where we're overriding the rates. I'm going to collapse this, go over here, look at a project. Okay, so you got your default rates there. You got this overridden project. You can see that the roles may have changed. A person may take a different role on a different project and have a different rate. Now, you can use the role rate. You can also use the default billing rate, or you can just override it. So I'll switch over to another project. You see now a completely different role using the role rate, in this case using the default rate. Switch to another project. So you see the role changing for each of these projects. Potentially, people have different jobs that they might do for each of the projects. And so that is how you set the rates based on the roles that people play in the projects.
So Standard Time, once again, has made my life a whole lot easier. Man, the brain fog is lifted because of this. Thank you so much. Download it today. You're not going to regret it. We're answering more questions next time with Standard Time. We'll see you then.